Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting power immediately, safety first. Once unplugged, remove the dryer top or control bezel so you can access the start button assembly. This saves time and prevents shocks. Use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching and keep screws organized. You should already have a multimeter and a replacement micro switch on hand because you will test continuity and swap parts. Do this now so the diagnostic step is next, rather than stopping to hunt tools later. You next verify whether the switch is the culprit by probing it with a multimeter while pressing the button. A lack of continuity indicates failure. Once confirmed, remove connectors, label wires or photograph their positions so reassembly is exact. Desolder only if necessary. Many models use push-on terminals. Then install the replacement microswitch, making sure actuator alignment matches the button cap. Tighten mounting screws and test the mechanical feel. A crisp click. Usually you finish by reassembling the bezel and panels, then restoring power to run a short dry cycle and confirm the start button responds. If nothing happens, make sure the door switch and thermal fuses are intact and measure control board output to the switch. Sometimes the board, not the button, is at fault. If uncertain, temporarily swap in a known good start microswitch or trace the wiring harness with the meter. This isolates the issue quickly and prevents unnecessary parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.